Recording. All right, here we go. You guys hear me? Beep boop. How we doing? How? How's everybody? That was ridiculous. Um, I've only seen things like that a few times in my life. Pretty ridiculous. Hopefully everybody's okay. I don't really know what to say, honestly. I got stopped out on, so I had resting bids at what must have been here on one of my FTX accounts, and I think I got stopped out here. And look at this. Look at it. Perfectly hit this. Um, but anyways, I did relong and basically, you know, still managed to make money. But it was very scary in the moment. Do I see us going down? No. I mean, at this point, no. I would be very, very surprised. So basically, at this point, I fully expect us to continue up. I'm looking just to get back in. I also have calls from 61 to 62K that expire today that are deep in the money on the 61s, which I have more of. The 62s were in the money. I hedged some of them already just to kind of lock in some profit. So, but yeah, so the rest of it, I'm gonna kind of keep my leverage low because I have those calls. So if we just start totally going parabolic today, my calls will carry me. Anyways, the Blackbird. Yeah, so I don't really have, I think there's some really good sort of takes on what might have happened over the last 2 3 hours 2 hours, but I don't think we're gonna ever know for sure. Most likely it was some sort of like somebody offloading a bunch of I don't know, spot whatever on a bunch of exchanges. It looks like there was pretty much a coordinated continuous amount of selling for a period of like a few minutes basically. But there's not, there's really not a lot you can do to predict this kind of stuff. All you can do is set yourself up to not lose everything. If you got stopped out and lost money on this, there's nothing to feel bad about. I mean, there's no way that you can prepare for this kind of event. The only thing you need to do is to make sure you've got enough of sort of risk tolerance to survive this sort of stuff. So don't put all your money on the exchange. Keep your, use stops in a way that makes sense. So use if you're going to use tight stops, then then that's fine. But make sure that you are okay getting stopped out. I don't really see. I guess if you had a swing position, you could have had a stop. I don't really like. I mean, you would have to have a pretty wide stop, not to get stopped out here. Why did I sell my spot and rug the market? Yeah, I wish I had like $150 million to market smash. Yeah, so this is the kind of instance where not setting stops can't end up paying off. But I will warn you that if you to do that, eventually one day you will end up getting fucked on your account. So there is times maybe not it's not it's it's okay to do that, but if you're all your money is on the account that you're trading on and you never set stops, you will eventually get fucked. So just keep that in mind. Um yeah, anyways. Anyways, all right. Um so I think at this point unless there's some dramatic shift in sentiment, I think we're pretty much, I mean, that is a great bottom. It was just sort of arbitrary selling that wasn't tied to any sort of major thing. The actual volume of the candle wasn't even that high. Um, if you like you look at the volume, it's like not particularly special, right? Like the volume from this candle was worse than or was higher than this candle. So when we took out the lows and we started bouncing, and then there was somebody aggressively buying at 60K. So I don't know if you saw that, but basically, there was some serious aggressive buying at 60K. When I sort of saw that, that was when I decided to start getting into longs again. Um, and then once we got above 60K, we cleared 60. Oh, that's not even 60. 60K is down here. Jesus. Once we got above the 60.3, 60.4 area, we just took off. Yeah, this is the old Teal Street bug problem. Oh, wait, what? Did I lose 19 Bitcoin? I'm not sure. Talking about. Anyways, um, yeah, I mean, I think try and get in on longs, get in on a retest, and be probably in good shape. Um, I'm trying to get in on any dip again. I took profit around 62.3. Um, he's not seeing the USD on your unrealized P&L. What? Anyways, okay, whatever. Realized P&L. Realized P&L, look. Realized P&L says 0.1796 Bitcoin. What is, what? Was it not working before? Really? Do I need to start over? You guys just did my voice just come on? This is, you've been hearing me. What is going on? Okay, anyways, it says 11124 BTC on stream. It says 11. Oh, does it? Hold on. Oh, that is, yes, I see. That's because I'm streaming on here. Yeah, that's USD. This is a Teal Street beta. That's why. Haha. Sorry. This is yeah, this is beta. This is bug. Yes. Sorry. Yeah, so the stream before was showing Teal Street 1.0. This is Teal Street 2.0. That was the confusion. Yeah, I did not make 11,000 Bitcoin. What do I think about funding? Boy, still. Peter, I think it's just you. Can other people hear my voice? Help. Okay. You guys are playing. I feel like I'm being gaslit here. All right, I'll stop asking. What's up, Crypto Yak? Yeah. Okay, so this is a Teal Street 2.0, which is in beta. There's some bugs. One of the bugs is this is mislabeled. Sorry, I did not understand. My bad. This should be USD. Fuck, fuck your real. Oh God. All right. Anyways, trying to get long again, but I got my puts. The bottom line is when this dumped with basically no volume, no news, no nothing. Of course, it could have kept dumping, but from an EV standpoint, it made sense to. And then we started just totally absorbing this. Dr. Robotics. I'm not even gonna look at chat anymore. It's getting out of control. Oh, this. Yeah. Okay. So we started just absorbing the 60K area. Didn't really see it right here, right? So we sort of wicked up, right? We wicked up through 60s up to 60.7. We came back down here and then we spent like 15 minutes like grinding through here, but every time this kept getting absorbed. We would like hit this level and it would just totally absorb. We eventually dipped through down to 750. Still more absorption, try to get an absorption, came down here, and then we absorbed one more time in the really low 60s, and then we just took off. So I started really aggressively buying when we started absorbing down in here. It was just bullshit dump, low volume relative to what dumps normally look like. Instantly bought up, got back above 60, strong absorption in the low 60s, and it just seemed like total shenanigans. Whether it was a misfiring algorithm, misfiring algo, it was a fat finger, it was manipulation, whatever it was clearly not some sort of like across the board end of days scenario. So once I felt pretty confident that this was not the end of days, the only thing that made sense was getting long. I'm recording it. I'll upload it. So anyways, yeah. So I got long. I went pretty heavy long. Obviously, I took losses on the way down though, because I longed. I thought I was longing a great dip, a great dip, and then I had to capitulate. Got out of control. But there was nothing to do. I mean, I think on my Bybit account I started buying around 60.6, 60.3, and I think I must have gotten out around 58.8, 58.9. I got out down here, which I mean, in hindsight, obviously, should have held, but how was I going to know that? And it could have kept nuking. In the moment, it was way too scary. Um, and then I got stopped out on my one of my FTX trades too. Um, but basically, I just got back in here in the 60s to high 59s. Actually, that's wrong. I got back in at 59. I traded up to 60, sold, and then I got back in around 60. Um, how did I even manage to buy on the first leg? Well, I mean, I was Hill Street, just mashing market buy with keyboard shortcuts. But I wish I hadn't. About Flood's tweet. Um, link it. Which tweet? Recently? I don't see his tweet. You'll have to link it. About ETH. Can you link it in chat? Oh, like 15 minutes ago. Let me go back. Um, daily for you just call long, I guess. What was this from? 50 minutes ago. Daily close for ETH above 4,250, and you'll just all long, I guess. That's at 4,370. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. ETH isn't reacting particularly great right now, but I think it's probably just about charging up. What is this? Why didn't I take this trade? Where did this come from? Somebody has been giving me signals. God left this in here for me, and I just ignored it. Jesus, they should have told me. Well, that's that's fucked. Oh, the universe is trying to tell me something, and I wasn't listening. Rip. That must have been from like a stream a couple days ago. I must have been doing a TA on ETH for you guys because I don't usually do anything. Oh boy. Anyways, this wasn't even this wick though. This it's ETH didn't yeah I wasn't even really paying attention. This is old. This is from last night. ETH didn't even do anything, which is kind of like shows how isolated it was, right? This whole nuke was isolated in Bitcoin because everything else just didn't, barely got shook. What's up, DP4? So, anyways, yeah, Alton even that was another good indicator that something was very sus. Was the fact that this was so isolated side of Bitcoin. But I mean, I was obviously a risk. You know? Well, ETH BTC, that's because ETH held up. I mean, you don't need to look at the ETH BTC chart to know that it went up when Bitcoin nuked because Bitcoin went down. Um, anyways, I got some really good longs in last night too, which I'm pretty proud of. Um, I got in here or something like this, and then I ended up actually taking profit on most of my longs here. But then when we didn't break down in the next hourly and we closed here, I jumped back in long right here, and I managed to ride that up. I also caught the Doge pump, which I talked about a little bit in chat. Um, Actually, I think Lat caught this for me. He was sitting next to me and just like noticed that she was starting to taper off. Um, oh shit, I'm on my old internet. Hold on, I have fiber, but I'm on the wrong internet connection. I think. Just a second. I have two networks, and my power went out the other day, and I don't think I ever switched networks again. It auto snapped to the other one. Un momento. No, I think it's fine. Okay. Anyways, yeah. So basically, I'm just trying to get long. That's all there is to it. Um, ideally, ideally, I'm not expecting too much of a pullback here. So I'm out of my futures leverage, but that's mostly because I'm spot long and I've got these calls. Otherwise, I would definitely leave some on. Um, yeah. Which you want to link some neon? I'm not like I just don't know enough of about. I don't trade alts enough to be in the loop. When do they expire? Tonight. They expire in about 6 hours. Not very long, but I already took profit on some. Coinbase is selling off a little bit here, but anyways, we'll see. Mana, sand, and okay, yeah. Let me just take a look at them right now. Hold on. Wow. Yeah, the mana one is pretty bad right now. Yeah, I mean, I there's no reason for these things to stop, right? Especially given the Facebook news. So I think that you're probably in pretty good shape. How low can she? Yeah, well, okay, so SHIB is just inversely correlated, right, with the rest of the market. So the problem with SHIB is that when people start longing non-SHIB related things, that money is going to come straight out of SHIB. Um, just inevitable. So when the market just takes off like this, you can expect that the meme tokens are not going to be a part of the rally. So in my opinion, I wouldn't be looking necessarily to, yeah, I'd be looking to rotate the non-SHIB related, non-dog coin stuff right now. I think that given how strong Bitcoin reacted, that's what I'm looking to do. It's just buying dips on Bitcoin. That's it. I am into some ETH. I've got the classics: ETH, FTT, Link, Solana. I am gonna legit look at these metaverse ones though. That was a great call. So I'm gonna see. Hold on. I'm actually buying more of a few things. All right. Floki is going parabolic. Yeah, I thought about buying some last night. Rip. Yeah, I'm gonna set some bids on Mana. What's the plan for Solana? I'm just gonna ride the current market euphoria. It's not a big position. Uh, just something to sort of. I mean, I think Solana in general is very bullish overall, and so I definitely think we could hit like 500, right? So, all right, hold on. Let me set some bids here. I'm looking to get in on this mana thing, whatever this is. Looks Chad as fuck. I'm gonna set some bids. Setting some bids, see if I can catch a little wick here. Altcoins. Yeah, well, what can I say? Looks Chad to me. Definitely, I mean, it could rug at any minute. Yeah, I mean, from a fundamental standpoint, I'm gonna admit that I'm not exactly like, I don't really, I don't know how much I care. But, um, which one Flux? Which one did you shill at point four? Mana? So anyways, I'm just setting some bids across the board on these guys. See if I can catch anything. Oh, you're talking about mana from, yeah, yeah. That is true. It does seem like whatever. Oh, all right, here we go. So this week looks pretty brutal, but it's just inevitable given the you know rate at which we explode. I mean, it's not inevitable, but it doesn't surprise me, is what I mean, I guess. Um, so I don't know. I mean, I think this is you're getting close to your opportunity here to get in because I don't think we're gonna go that low. Is it time for Doge? I wouldn't. No. I have no interest in Doge right now. I mean, it's possible that it goes up, but I think given everything else that's going on right now, I don't think it is worth it relative to other buys. There's better places for your money. I think that in the current, I think for today, dog coins aren't worth it. There are better things to use your money for. What about Cardano? What is Cardano doing? Didn't he get fucked recently? Cardano looks okay, but it doesn't look very special. Yeah. Oh, Jesus Christ. What the fuck happened? This is special. Truly. This, this Jesus. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I think I'll long something else for now. Yeah, pretty shit, I gotta say. Better stuff to play with, in my opinion. Um, can I ask if Alice is Metaverse coin? I I don't. Yeah, it's a gaming coin. I don't really know what defines a Metaverse coin, to be honest. I really don't like know what is going on with the Metaverse stuff. I'm the wrong person to ask. Lat, ask Lat. Don't ask me. Ooh, Hold on. Market is such a scam right now. It's ridiculous. That was your entry. Take it. Don't think. Market smash. Oop, got filled on mana. You think you lose. No time for thinks. Where you have to have high conviction on what you're going to do. You don't have time, not have time to second guess yourself. Yeah, okay, that's a perfect instance. I wish I had more bid set, to be honest. But that is a great example where you just don't have any time. Your plan is to buy the dip. You better be ready to buy it because you're not going to get very long. Somebody wants to learn PA, where to begin? The whole, I mean, everything is just basically here. Someone said crypto cred took its. Yeah, I heard something. Somebody said something like that too. I'm not really sure what's the story there, to be honest. Yeah, so that's true. You feel like always followed by scam price action. No, I 100%. That's absolutely it. So you get a ton of volatility like this, you can really comfortably start just fading like this kind of volatility. If you're prepared for it, you can make a ton of money. The trick is essentially knowing that this is what happens after these really volatile moves. Um, yeah, if Craig took his stuff down, it's most likely because he's working on trying to release some sort of improved something. Yeah, no, I have no interest. everything Doge related seems terrible right now, I gotta say. Cred got liquidated. Hey, you never know. Hold on, I'm focused. Have you seen FTX website in iOS? Oh, I'm sure it's terrible, but they do have a mobile app. Yes, I never would have expected. I mean, FTX's website doesn't look like it would work on mobile very well, gotta admit. Can I tell you the algo behind Bearimy? No, you have to ask Bearimy. You have to convince him to reveal it. I'm not allowed to share his secrets. Yeah, float. Well, no, like Jesus Christ. Oh, it's so out of control. It's so out of control. I gotta be a little careful here. Hello. Tilt again? Well, I'm not, I mean, I'm deep in profit, so I wouldn't consider it tilt. Fiction. Nah, I, hold on. Yeah, I have 12,000, I made 12,000 Bitcoin. Fun. Relax, guys. It says 12,475 Bitcoin. Dude, I'm making so much money in this scam, PA. Mm, all right, I gotta be careful. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. Oof. Yep. Yes, it is getting bought, but it's very scammy, and I must admit. Yes, I that was oversized though, for sure. I will not deny that. Could have waited. Got a little too hyped there. Got in way too early. All right, send it. Send it. There we go. Oh my God. Mm-hmm. Can I characterize as apes, aping multiple? Yeah, they could be VIP, they could be market makers, they could have special fee structures, they could have all sorts of things. But honestly, I don't really know. Was that a fart? I wouldn't tell you if it was. Hobbits don't fart. Yeah, no, I honestly I'm not 100% sure about the degenerate 1 mil to 5 mil apes, but I do think it's they're not losing money. Um, they are, well, maybe some of them are, but in general, there's something going on there. What is considered high funding? 0.3% is like essentially, I think most exchanges cap it at 0.35 for Bitcoin. So anything above like zero point 0.1 is very high. Yeah, I'll set a stop just in case. All right, guys, I'm gonna hop off voice in a second. I mean, I think we're going up, but might be a little oversized. We'll see. Let's find out. 1, 2, 3. All right, guys. Yeah, that was margin. I gotta answer. Long, safely, something. Bye.